Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're looking at real classic motorcycles for sale across America, featuring authentic listings, real prices, and machines with true history. Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $5,500, Georgia. Starting this list is a 1974 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, a true symbol of American touring heritage. This example is finished in classic black and comes equipped with desirable S&S heads, carburetor, and oil pump upgrades. According to the seller, the bike runs, drives, and stops well, making it a solid rider rather than a forgotten project. Included with the sale are the original fairing and King Tour Pack, adding value for anyone looking to return it to full touring trim. With a clear title and an approachable asking price, this Electra Glide offers an accessible entry into vintage Harley touring ownership. Number 2. 1973 BMW R60/5, $3,700, Illinois. Next up is a 1973 BMW R60/5, part of BMW's legendary Airhead lineup. Powered by a smooth 600cc boxer engine, this bike is known for reliability, balance, and timeless engineering. The seller notes that it starts easily, shifts smoothly through all gears, and handles exactly as these classic BMWs should. While the odometer is inconsistent, the overall condition remains strong, with working gauges and electrics. For riders seeking a classic European motorcycle with everyday usability, the R60/5 continues to be one of the most respected choices on the vintage market. Number 3. 1985 Honda Nighthawk 700S, $2,900, Georgia. The 1985 Honda Nighthawk 700S represents peak 1980s Japanese engineering. Featuring a 696cc engine producing around 80 horsepower, shaft drive, and a 6-speed transmission with overdrive, this bike was ahead of its time. Everything on this example is reported to be fully functional, including the gear indicator and fuel gauge. Garage-kept and well-maintained, the Nighthawk blends comfort with strong performance and remains a favorite among riders who appreciate dependable classics that still feel modern on the road. Number 4. 1967 BSA A65L Lightning, $3,950, New Jersey. This 1967 BSA A65L Lightning is a largely original British classic with low miles and factory paint still intact. While minor cosmetic wear is present, the bike benefits from a professionally rebuilt engine and transmission completed about a decade ago. With over 500 miles since rebuild, it starts easily and runs as expected. British twins like the Lightning are increasingly appreciated for their mechanical simplicity and authentic riding experience, making this example appealing to collectors who value originality over full restoration. Number 5. 1981 Suzuki GS1000G, $1,950, Ohio. The Suzuki GS1000G is known for combining strong performance with long-distance comfort. This shaft drive model features an upright riding position and triple-disc brakes, which were advanced for its era. With 48,000 miles showing, this bike demonstrates the durability Suzuki built into its large displacement engines. While any vintage motorcycle requires ongoing care, the GS1000G remains a practical and affordable classic that still performs well in modern traffic. Number 6. 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $6,500, Ohio. A true British icon, the 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140E carries the classic Bonneville name into the late 1970s. This example has under 14,000 miles and has recently received new tires, battery, fresh fluids, and servicing. It starts, runs, and rides well according to the seller, making it a ready-to-enjoy vintage machine. With its parallel twin engine and unmistakable styling, the Bonneville continues to attract both collectors and riders alike. Number 7. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000, $3,000, Maryland. The Kawasaki KZ1000 helped define the superbike era of the late 1970s. This example was properly prepared for storage, with the fuel system drained and the engine fogged for protection. While it will need basic recommissioning such as a battery, filters, and fluids, the bike includes a maintenance manual and retains a clean title. Known for strong engines and solid performance, the KZ1000 remains one of the most respected Japanese classics of its generation. Number 8. 1973 Jawa Gelandesport 350, $12,500, Michigan. The 1973 Jawa Gelandesport is a true collector-grade motorcycle with serious historical significance. Built specifically for international 6 days trial competition, these bikes were hand-assembled and never mass-produced. With only 12 units imported into the United States in 1973, this model is exceptionally rare. Innovative engineering allowed major internal components to be serviced without removing the engine from the frame. For collectors of competition motorcycles, this Jawa represents a unique piece of off-road racing history. Number 9. 1987 Yamaha Virago 535, $1,500, Ohio. The Yamaha Virago 535 is often recommended as an approachable entry-level cruiser. With less than 5,000 miles and newly installed tires, this example is described as running well despite a slightly rich carburetor. Its manageable power and comfortable riding position make it suitable for casual riding or short trips. At this price point, it offers one of the most affordable ways to enjoy a classic Japanese V-twin. Number 10. 1974 Triumph Trident, $6,000, Ohio. The Triumph Trident is a landmark motorcycle, introducing British triple-cylinder power to the market. This 1974 example features low mileage, period-correct modifications, and strong running condition. Known for its smooth power delivery and distinctive sound, the Trident stands apart from traditional twins. For enthusiasts looking for something different within the British classic world, the Trident remains a standout option. Number 11. 1980 Honda CX500 Custom, $2,000, Kentucky. Honda's CX500 is famous for its liquid-cooled V-twin and shaft drive, offering reliability uncommon in its era. This custom model runs well and comes with a clean title, making it a practical vintage rider. CX series bikes have earned a strong following due to their durability and unique engine design. At this price, it represents solid value for anyone seeking a dependable classic Honda. Number 12. 1947 Indian Chief, $21,999, New York. A true American legend, this 1947 Indian Chief comes with matching numbers and a rebuilt engine and transmission. While a few finishing details remain, much of the heavy mechanical work has already been completed. The Indian Chief represents pre-war and post-war American motorcycle craftsmanship at its peak. With proper documentation and included parts, this bike appeals strongly to serious collectors of early American motorcycles. Number 13. 1965 Ducati Bronco, $1,500, New York. The Ducati Bronco is a lightweight European classic known for efficiency and simplicity. This example is registered, insured, and upgraded with a modern ignition system. With fuel economy around 100 miles per gallon, it's ideal for urban riding or casual weekend use. Small displacement Ducatis like the Bronco are increasingly appreciated for their charm and mechanical character. Number 14. 1977 BMW R75/7, $5,500, Maryland. The BMW R75/7 is often praised for its versatility and long-distance capability. This example starts, runs, and rides well, making it a strong candidate for vintage touring. With over 40,000 miles, it reflects the longevity BMW engineered into its airhead models. Many riders consider the 7 Series among the best-balanced classic BMWs ever produced. Number 15. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH, $1,800, Michigan. Closing the list is a 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH, powered by the iconic Ironhead engine. While it has been sitting and requires typical recommissioning, the motor turns freely and the bike remains mostly complete. With a solid frame and good VIN, This XLH offers a strong foundation for restoration, customization, or a classic bobber build. For hands-on enthusiasts, Ironhead Sportsters continue to be one of the most engaging vintage Harley platforms. That's it for today's list of classic motorcycles for sale in the USA. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more real listings, real prices, and real vintage machines.